What's up, guys? We got a leaky water heater supply hose. This is the first recommendation, is to put a cup under it so that it captures the water. It's like a gray water system. Step one is turn off the electrical power to the water heater. No going back now, guys. Step two is turn this off. This cold water supply, but it's like jammed stuck. So I'm just going to turn off the water to the house. Look, got some driveway art. Look, I got channel lock pliers. This thing. Oh, it's opening. This cords always scare me. I thought there's something jumping. Yeah, you just get this and turn this knob to the right. I need two hands. All right, turned it 90 degrees. That's shut off. Now we can just run some water. All right. I'm gonna leave that open. I'm personally gonna do some other maintenance as well. I'm going to drain the water heater because that gets out sediment out the bottom. So I'm gonna hook a hose up to that and drain it. All right, so I hooked up a hose and just gonna empty this bad boy. I haven't seen this kind of knob, but I think if I just open it. There it is, guys, we're draining. Bonus points, you can do it into like a little net to see what you get, but I don't really care. There it is, do not worry, guys, we got this. It's plants. Here we go. I'm gonna loosen this guy, see what we get. This is scary. Got a lot of noises, guys. All right, so we have some threads there. This kind here. This is important, so measure what you currently have. Or I bought it ahead, but it's recommended if you take this off and bring it to your local hardware store to get exactly what you need. But I just measured this as a foot and got this. I'm switching to stainless steel because I heard it lasts longer. I also got some pipe joint compound because I don't feel like soldering. And as usual, Teflon tape, but I don't know, we'll see. All right, took this one off, so this is what we got. Oh, copper. Okay. Switching to the new one. I'm gonna put on gloves. Now I got me a little wire brush here to clean the threads. Just gonna go around these bad boys, get them nice and clean. Not all this corrosion and gunk. I'm gonna use two hands and get this cleaned. This is a reenactment. All right. All right, I'm putting Teflon tape on here in a clockwise motion. So it goes with the threads, and I'm keeping it in the back to keep these front threads open. Then I'm gonna cover it with the pipe dope. All right, just wrapped it a few times. Like literally 2 times, 2.5, 3, I don't know, around in a clockwise fashion on both of them. This is new to me. I used it on the washer hookups because they were leaking and it seemed to do the trick. So pipe joint compound, or pipe dope, is how we experts in the plumbing field use. That's our nomenclature. All right, slang, pipe dope. Sure, if you're lazy, I'll link some in the description. I'll put some pipe dope on there. This is gonna vary depending on your setup, so I'm not gonna link any of these in the description. Oh gosh, it says iron pipe. Shit. Look at that, it says iron pipe. Freaking thing said stainless steel. Well, I guess we'll see how long this lasts. Make sure it has these gaskets in it, very important. Both sides.
Pipe dope. Recommend you wear gloves.
And then you mix it up just like good old times, guys. Mix it up. It's got like a little brush in here. You can't even see it because it's so covered in goop. That's all it is, it's just goop. So I'm gonna goop up the pipes. I'm only gooping up the male threads. And they'll stick to clockwise. All the way around, guys. Goop it up. This is your cushion. All the years of painting is paying off. Thank you, art class. Okay, it looks sloppy enough. Reinsert. Don't be a dope. Use pipe dope. It's pretty easy to bend, so I'm just going to hand tighten these for now and put them on. And then I'll tighten them with this crescent wrench here. All right, it's in, guys. Turning water back on. Back. Looking good so far, guys. Good so far. We did it. Oh, scary stuff, but hey, if I can do it, you can do it. Pipe dope, baby. Just get the right length. This stuff bends pretty easy. Pipe dope, Teflon, no soldering required. All right. On. This is an electrical kind. Hopefully it has its own pilot. We did it, Penny. We did it. Oh, Penny.